Cristiano Ronaldo has enjoyed an electrifying start to the 2018 World Cup. The 33-year-old Real Madrid star scored a hat-trick against Spain in Portugal's opening fixture before scoring the winner in a 1-0 win over Morocco. Ronaldo captained his country to success at Euro 2016, and this is likely to be his final chance to win a World Cup. Portugal face Iran in the final group game, needing a point to advance to the knockout stages. "We have only one alternative: to be better than Portugal in every aspect," said Iran boss Carlos Queiroz. "We didn't come here to be nice losers, we have come here to work with dignity and pride for Iran supporters. We are going to fight for 90 minutes tomorrow. Iran can progress if they pull off an unlikely win against Ronaldo." Ronaldo v Iranian fans. Traveling Iranian supporters have been doing everything in their power to help the team in Russia. On Sunday night they were outside Portugal's hotel in Saransk as they desperately attempted to disturb their opponents. Ronaldo had a very clear message from the noisy Iranian fans who came armed with vuvuzelas. A GIF went viral which clearly showed Ronaldo approaching the window and asking the unwelcome visitors to let the players sleep. It's unclear how Ronaldo's message was received by the onlooking fans, but it surely wasn't the best idea to wind up the five-time Ballon d'Or winner. In March, PSG fans attempted to disrupt Ronaldo's sleep before their Champions League clash by making noise outside the Real Madrid hotel. The former Man United winger responded the very next day by scoring a goal in a 2-1 victory at the Parc des Princes. He subsequently won the Champions League and finished as the competition's top scorer. Meanwhile, only England's Harry Kane, 5, has scored more goals than Ronaldo, 4, at the 2018 World Cup. Will Ronaldo add to his tally against Iran on Monday? Let us know what you think by leaving a comment below. Do you want to write for Give Me Sport? Get started today by signing up and submitting an article here. https://www.givemesport.com/writeform